Hi, this is Brian Weir from WHITBY Oshawa Honda. Thank you for tuning in. The entire staff at WHITBY Oshawa Honda are proud to support the Herizon House, and we need your support too. The Herizon House is a special shelter that protects abused women and their children, and you have no idea how much it bothers me that we still need places like the Herizon House. So we've got 2 empty boxes here that we need to fill. If you've got any toy items for the children, food, a list of items for the moms out there, gift cards, new robes and slippers, journals and books, face cloths, hand towels, dishes, kitchen items, shampoo and conditioner, any personal care items, dishes, glasses, mugs, toasters, kettles, new pillows, linens and bath mats, cutlery and utensils, anything that you can share. And by giving, you're not just giving a gift over, you're giving hope to these people. So please come to WHITBY Oshawa Honda. Please come in by December 20th, and please let's fill these boxes with something good. Thank you.